Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Just with Detailed Diamonds, back with another one. This video today, we want to discuss how to properly clean car tires. If you guys have not already, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We typically post 3 to 4 times a week. This video right here will be a voiceover video, but I wanted to show you guys my face. I wanted to show you guys some love. And yeah, we just want to try a different format right now. I got Chelsea right now doing the outside. I'm about to get on these tires and show you guys our personal process. So yeah, hope you guys find some value. Like I said, if you guys have not already, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We typically post 3 to 4 times a week detailing content. Now let's get it. Okay guys, thank you for tuning in thus far. What you want to make sure you have when you're doing a tires is a separate tire bucket. You don't want to use the same bucket that you use when you're cleaning the car, because that is different type of grime and different type of dirt that can accumulate on the tires. The tires is the dirtiest part of the car, so you want to make sure that you clean it. We are using Purple Power full strength. We are not diluting Purple Power because the tires are the dirtiest part of the car. You want to make sure that you get the wheel wells as well. Once we sprayed the Purple Power onto the tires, we would agitate with the different brushes. I will definitely link some of those brushes down below in the description. But yeah, as you can see, it's really an easy process. It does not take long. This is one of our maintenance clients, so we see this car typically once a month. We have already prepped these tires, so you just really want to make sure that you clean them, brush them good, make sure you get inside the faces, make sure you get inside the spokes, wipe it off dry, because when it's time to apply the tire shine, you need to have a nice dry tire so the tire shine can stick. And yeah, just keep up that same energy, man. If you have liquid tire shine, aerosol can, whatever you have, tire shine is good. You have to have a tire shine applicator as well. Make sure that you cop one. I'll link some different tire shine applicators in the description as well. They have all type of varieties. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Not to make it a long video, but as you can see, the tires are clean. I'm finishing it up right now. These are the final results. And don't make it hard. Don't think about it too much. All you want to do is make sure you have a good wheel cleaner, make sure you have the greaser, make sure you have a couple brushes, and that's all you really need. As you can see right now, this is the final product of the car. We have put a paste wax on this before, so it's just still maintaining, man, still maintaining. If you guys have found value in this video, please tap the like button, subscribe to our channel. We typically post 3 to 4 times a week. See you soon.